What's up, guys? Welcome back to Lion Mark TV. Mark here with another exciting, delighting, and much interesting video here on the channel. This one was a complete shutdown from Xhrine Asaba with Mike Ezuruenye Reekado Banks and yes, Ezuruenye, the owner of the club. Yes, it went down throughout the entire night. You know, Saturdays and weekend are always very busy for these big boys, and clubbing is something that is always part of the event of every weekend. And yes, I'm here to bring you the highlight and everything how it went down there in Asaba. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to drop a comment in the comment section, because you know that your comments and your thoughts are very value here on the channel. So without wasting much of your time, take you guys straight to the content. First of all, I've never seen Mike Ezuruenye clubbed like this. This one, he clubbed it on a different style. Enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Drop a comment below.
Oh, you mama say, come ça. To the fucking room. Let's listen. Ladies and gentlemen, I see a quattro. Io la fai la casa del fucking piede tonight. I see a pose. My quattro!
Big cash my way, but still I can't believe it. And I want to be good. Still I can't believe it. I put myself for this shit. For this shit. Of course I'm fucked up.
Everybody now say. Sing this in the game now. Hey.
I'm saying what? Still I can't believe it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Are you ready?
What you expect from me? It's what it is. But I keep going on.
You keep going.
I can hold this. Cause I have no story time. Can nobody stop the man? I keep going on. I can hold this. Cause I have no story time. Can nobody stop the man? No, I'm gonna keep my place. I wanna keep my place.
Let's do this
We don't
video.
want to play. When I fall again,
Bring it on now.
I can't lose this game. So anytime you play, remember my name. And I'm just gonna put the hustler. If you far away, just
So believe me when I say it was a supercharged, amazing one out there all through the night. Like seriously, these guys are having the lightest fun anyone can ever imagine to have at this period of time. And yes, trust me, it's the best thing that can ever happen to anybody. Everybody's supposed to have fun at all time, because this life problem no the finish. Make we they try, they enjoy. Anyhow, we will do it. Thank you guys for watching this video up to this moment. I appreciate you, and you're my MVP here if you've watched the video up to this moment. Don't forget to subscribe. See you guys on my next video.